Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about plane geometrical shapes. Plane geometrical shapes that you have already learned in the second standard and first standard. Which are the rectangle, square, circle and then triangle. We are going to learn about the sides and corners. Okay. First one I told, the plane geometrical shape is a rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Plane geometrical shape is a shape which can be drawn on a paper. I have named this rectangle with English capital letters A, B, C, D. So, we can name this as rectangle ABCD. Can say that this is rectangle ABC. And we have learned line segments also. This is a line segment, this is a line segment, this is a line segment and this is a line segment. So, 4 line segments join together to make a rectangle. 4 line segments join together to form a rectangle. Which are the 4 line segments? Can you say? Line segment AB, then line segment CD, then line segment AC, then the line segment BD. Point. So, the end point we marked with the capital letters. So, these are known as the corners. These are known as the corners. How many corners are there? A rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners are there? 4 corners. Corners is having another name like vertex. And if it is plural here, there are 4 vertices. So, we will say that rectangle has 4 vertices. Rectangle has 4 vertices. Which are the vertices? A, B, C, D. What is the name of this rectangle? A, B, C, D. Rectangle A, B, C, D. Okay. So, which are the line segments used to form this rectangle? A, B, C, D, AC and BD. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Understood, no? Okay. Now let us learn about a square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Square also you have learned. E-F-G-H. Okay. The name of our square is EFGH. Square EFGH. Okay. Here also line segments are used to form the square. How many line segments are used? EF, line segment, EF. Then the next one, GH. So we have written up and down. Then 2 sides it is there. Then that is line segment EG and the line segment FH. Okay. So 4 line segments are used to form a square. Now learned about the corner. What is the name of the corner? Vertex. Vertex. If there is more vertex, what we will say? Vertices. Can you say which are the vertices of this square? Anybody? Very good, very good. E, F, G, H. These are the vertices of this square. Children, I told we are going to learn a new term, quadrilateral. What is that? Quadrilateral. Q-U-A-D-R-I-L-A-T-E-R-I-L. Quadrilateral. Once again, quadrilateral. Do you know what is a quadrilateral? A plane shape which is made up of 4 line segments are called a quadrilateral. A plane shape which is made up of 4 line segments are called a quadrilateral. Do you have learned any quadrilaterals now? Very good. Rectangle and square. Have learned about rectangle and square. Have learned about rectangle and square. Rectangle is a plane shape. It having 4 line segments. And here square is also a plane shape and it also having 4 line segments. So, what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a plane shape which is formed with 4 line segments. Do you learn? We can say how many sides are there for a triangle? How many sides are there for a triangle? Very good. 3. I have learned it from first standard and even in the second standard. This is a triangle. We can name this shape with capital letters. So this is P, Q, R. Now change the name P, Q, R. This triangle P, Q, R. How many line segments are used to form this triangle? Anybody? 3. Very good. 3 line segments. Which are those 3 line segments? Anybody can say? Very good. Very good. PQ, line segment PQ, line segment QR, and then line segment PR. Okay. 3 line segments are used to form a triangle. We have learned that if a plane shape is formed with 4 line segments, that is called a quadrilateral. Then a triangle, is it a quadrilateral? No, because it has only 3 sides, 3 line segments. Okay. Now, how many vertices are there? How many vertices are there? Very good. 3. Which are they? P, Q, and R. P, Q, and R. It's a round in shape. A round, when we trace an object in round in shape, we'll get a circle. How many sides and vertices are there for a circle? No vertices and no sides. This is having a curved line used to form a circle. There is no vertices or no sides. Okay, children. Now we are going to learn about solid shapes. We are going to learn about solid shapes. Solid shapes also we have learned in the second standard. Are you remembering? Some of you. Very good, very good. Some are remembering. An example: cube, cuboid, then cylinder. Then what is the shape of like a ball, sphere. Then one more cone. This is also a cuboid. Here this is 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and this side also 2. This side 2. Here 1, here 1. Down 1 we have counted. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round we have counted. Then the other sides we have 2. So total how many faces are there? There are 6 faces. 6 faces. Okay. Now we have to count edges. Here when you see this is the shape. Here 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge and 4 edge. In this side 4 edge. This side, opposite side also 4 edge. Both sides we have 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Understood? 12 edges are there. 12 edges. Do you understand which are the 12? Here on the front side you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? The same way back side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. then we did not count these two sides. 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges are there for a cuboid? 12 edges. Okay. 3 sides meet each other. This side and this side. These 3 sides meet in this point. So this point is a corner. Understood? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners are there. How many corners are there? 8 corners. 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. What is a face? The surface of a shape. This is a surface, this is a surface, this is a surface. So these are surfaces. Surfaces are how many? 6 surfaces are there. Then edges. What is edges? 2 faces meet each other is called an edges. This side and this side meet here, so this is an edge. This side and meet here, so this is an edge. This side and meet each other, so this is an edge. Okay. Next corner. What is a corner? It is a corner. 3 edges meet each other. 3 edges. 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge. 3 edges meet in one point is called a corner. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. Understood? 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners are there for a cuboid and even a cube. What is the difference between a cube and a cuboid? A cube is all the faces and all the corners are all the faces and all the edges are in equal length. All the faces and all the edges are in equal length. Cuboid, here this is big, this is small. This is small, this is big. So cuboid, some spaces are different size, but a cube, all the faces are in same size. That's the difference between a cube and a cuboid. And both have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Understood? So we have learned about cube and cuboid. Now curved face and a flat face. What's the name of this solid shape? This is sphere. This is sphere. This cuboid is having a what? Flat face, and this sphere is having a curved face. Okay. Curved edge and a straight edge. Okay. 2 faces are meet each other in a straight line. So this is called a straight edge. Two faces are met in a straight line. So this is a straight edge. But this is the example for a cylinder. This is the example for a cylinder. When you see that this face and this face are meeting each other here, but this is not a straight line. Is it a straight edge? No. So this is a curved edge. So for a cuboid, these 2 faces are meeting in a straight edge. So this is called a straight edge. And a cylinder, this face and this face are meeting each other in a curved face. So it is known as curved edge. It's known as curved edge. This is an example of a cylinder, and it has here one face, here one face, here one face. So it has 3 faces. How many faces? 3 faces. How many edges do you know? Here one curved edge, here one curved edge. Two curved edges. Okay. It has 3 faces. One face here, down one face, here one face. 3 faces. One edge here, one edge here. So straight edge? No, it's curved edge. Okay, curved edge. Now, is there any corner here? Is there any corner? No corner. There is no edge for a cylinder. Okay. This is the example of a sphere. You have seen balls. Balls are the examples of sphere. It has only one face. Only one face. Which face? Straight face or curved face? Sphere has one curved face. Edges and corners are 0 for a sphere. Cone. Here when you see, look at the faces. This is one face. Which face is this? Curved like this. Curved face. One face and two face. One and two. The two faces are there for a cone. How many corners are there? How many corners? How many corners are? This is the only one corner a cone has. Cone is having one corner, two faces. Please learn about the solid shapes and flat shapes. Are you ready to learn? Okay, do the exercise and be ready for live class. Thank you.